Today I'm going to show you how to find the code on your Amazon gift card and what to do if that code is damaged or unreadable. This is especially helpful if you've received a gift card as a present or purchased one yourself and need to add the balance to your Amazon account without any hassle. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. Now, before we get into the digital side of things, let's talk about the physical card itself. Take your Amazon gift card packet and carefully open it using scissors along the top edge. You want to be gentle here so you don't accidentally damage anything inside. Once the packet is open, remove the plastic gift card that's inside. Next, flip the card over to the back side. This is where you'll find the claim code. It's typically hidden under either a peel-off sticker or a scratch panel. Here's an important tip. Don't scratch it off. Instead, gently peel the sticker away. Scratching can sometimes damage the code underneath, which is exactly what we're trying to avoid. Now that you have your code visible, let's add it to your Amazon account. On the Amazon homepage, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. From the drop-down that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account page where you can manage all your settings and details. Once you're on the account page, look for the option labeled Gift Cards and click on it. This section is dedicated to everything related to gift card balances and redemption. In the upper left panel, you'll see a button that says Redeem a Gift Card. Click on that to proceed. You'll now see a field where you can enter your gift card code. Type in the full claim code exactly as it's shown on the back of your card. Make sure every letter and number is correct, as even a small typo can prevent the code from working. After you've entered the code, click Apply to your balance. Your gift card amount will then be added to your Amazon account and you'll be able to use it on your next purchase. Now, let's address what happens if your code is damaged or unreadable. This can be frustrating, but Amazon has a process in place to help you resolve it. Scroll down on the page until you find the Help button and click it. This will open up Amazon's customer support options. Look for the section labeled Payment Methods, Charges, or Gift Cards and click on it. From there, select Problem with a Gift Card. You'll then see an option that says Claim Code Unreadable. Click on that. If the automated suggestions don't resolve your issue, click I need more help to connect with a live support agent. You'll be given two options, chat with us or request a phone call. Choose whichever method you prefer. Once you're connected with a support representative, explain your situation clearly. Let them know that the claim code on your gift card is damaged or unreadable. They'll likely ask you to provide your purchase receipt or any proof of purchase you have. This helps them verify that the gift card is legitimate. Once verified, Amazon will either replace the gift card or credit the balance directly to your account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find and redeem your Amazon gift card code, and you now know exactly what to do if that code is damaged. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.